Whatever. Y'all hear this? My daughter trying to finesse me. We're on the strip this tonight. Late night. Everybody on the move. A lot of people walking around. Let's see. Look at cheesecake factory. It's busy over there. We got the fire red freeze. Check it out. Look like the line wait is pretty long. Check them out, everybody. Dopeness, not bad. People making all this noise. What? It's healthy for you. My daughter don't like brown rice. Everybody look at cheesecake. The line is long. Our brewing company for those of us who are thirsty. Got Coach. Anybody looking for a Rolex? Got that. Now about to go get some grub. Because your boy E-Dub is kind of hungry. International Marketplace. As you can see, you got Tesla. You're hooked up. What's going on, my YouTube fam? It's your boy E-Double. I know everybody out on the grind. It's a Monday. It's one of the worst days for most people because Monday you got to get back in the swing. You already relaxed, things of that nature. I'd like to say shout out to everyone for showing love on the Bring the Pain podcast yesterday. If you haven't seen it, what you're waiting on, go check it out. We had a real good time. The next podcast will be dropping this Saturday, so be on the lookout for the time and the topic. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers, continued subscribers. Thank you for supporting your boy. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, rock that notification bell, so every time I drop a new video, you will be made aware of what's going on. As you can see, I'm out and about at the Navy Exchange. It's pretty done hot right now, so you want to hear me ranting and raving. It's all about the shoe. Love this presentation of this shoe. Check it out. Went up half a size. Got them from Foot Locker, men's 11. They got the women's 12.5, engineered for flight. Air Jordan 33 thing. Fisher colorway, white, metallic gold, black. Nice white box. Got your little puka hole, as we call it here. Engineered for flight. You got a little tab on the back side of this as well. You take this off, if I can get it off. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Got a nice little red inside. Jordan. Got this card. Tell you how to use the shoe. Pull the shoe for tighten. Pull to release. You guys don't be afraid to be open to this new technology. I'm gonna do the left shoe. Look at this aluminum type paper. I mean, this is very nice Jordan brand. I will give you your just due. Sorry for the clap. Check it out. Look at that thumbnail, maybe once over. Like I said, we willing to pay $190, $200 or up on this old technology. Don't be afraid to do this new technology. Although I think I got this pretty cheap. I think $110 or something like that. So I guess it's easy for me to say, right, if you get the discount. So can't complain about that. I don't know if the receipt in this bag or not. Probably not. Oh well. Let's get back into this review. Underneath, you got that zoom. You got that red there. You got, look at that. You got that little change there. Turn around. I guess that's for the locking of your shoe mechanism. Your little gold jump, man. You got that red there. You got this icy blue coming up on the toe box. You got mesh. You got a lot going on with this shoe. You got here, you got a little coating. And then you got your lines to tighten your shoestring. You see you got your pull tab here. Pull, you got your gold jump man, your pull tab here. Actually this shoe right on this current trend is supposed to be just like the Jordan 3. Only thing I can probably say maybe the back of the shoe. All right, you got your stitching here. This is like nubucker suede, red hits here. Your black painted side. You got nice stitching here on the shoe. And like I said, this is probably the only thing close to the 3, which you got that Nike Air on the back stitched in. Makes the shoe look real nice. You got a little clear piece here with red inside. Very dope. Then you got Air Jordan 33. Designed and engineered to the exact specification for flight. And then once you once you tighten the string, you got your eject button right here for the shoe. You got some leather right here, and then you got a nice gold jump man here. Nice stitching there as well. Air Jordan 33 in the back. You got nice red stitching in there. Size 11, 4, 13, 18. This shoe. So you guys let me know you guys still going after this shoe. Happy to pick this shoe up. I think this is by far better than the 32 based on design. Pretty comfortable. Like I said, I did go up a half size, well actually a whole size on this one, just to give myself a little bit more room. Probably wasn't necessary, to be honest with you, but you guys let me know what you think about this shoe in the comments below. On the lit meter or the dope meter, I would give this shoe a 4.65 out of 5. 4.65 out of 5. I think it's a very dope, very well executed shoe with the technology, and for the money that you paid for this shoe, I think it is a good investment. So with that being said, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, check out the podcast. We'll be back live this Saturday. You heard me. And E-Money, I'm out. Peace.